On the second day of the budget session of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, Sports Minister Shakhyar Wajri addressed concerns over the circulation of inaccurate information on social media regarding the supply of unhealthy food during the Meghalaya Games held in Tura earlier this year. During the session, Wajri responded to inquiries from the MLA of Nongkrem, Aden Basiamoit, regarding the issue. Despite Basiamoit's inquiry about potential repercussions for spreading false news, the minister stated that no action had been taken. However, he did concede that only light snacks were served to athletes during the opening ceremony of the event.
The athletes to have a heavy breakfast, and before leaving all the venues, we've asked them to serve brunch as well, sir. So due to the visit of the Honorable President, so certain protocols we had to follow. That is the main reason why, sir, during the day we only served snacks, light snacks, but then an early dinner was served as well, sir.
So, immediately after the news spread that athletes were served with junk foods, there has been a hue and cry across the state, especially against the state government. So I feel that this is a very bad news to be circulated. So may I know what action has been taken? May I know what action has been taken on the part of the government against those media houses or anyone who spread that kind of news?
So no action was taken, sir, regarding that matter, because I think not everyone has spread. Maybe one or two person who's gotten that photo has spread the photo. So there was no question of having to hold someone accountable for it, sir.
No, sir, because there is a video being circulated through news media that a manager of those athletes expressed displeasure and disappointment about the food being served to the athletes. So you cannot deny the fact that the news was circulated and the people of the state have seen that news.
So, Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, so we're not denying, sir, but then, like I said, sir, we have taken a decision to only serve light snacks because the Honorable President of India had visited and there were so many protocols that we had to follow. So hence, sir, that was the main reason why we served the light snacks. But then, sir, in the world of social media, as you know, everyone can spread anything at any time. And maybe one or two persons, sir, who has gotten that video, has taken that video and has spread it across the state. So like I said, we decided to serve light snacks was only because of the visit of the Honorable President of India, sir.
During the session, Deputy Chief Minister responsible for PWD roads, Preston Tensong, disclosed that over Rs 681 crore will be allocated for land compensation in the construction of the Shillong Western Bypass project, spanning 38 kilometers with 2 lanes. Tensong informed lawmakers that the project's starting point near Lat Umsao and ending point near Lat Maureng are in the final stages of land acquisition. He highlighted the anticipated completion timeline of 2 years from the commencement of work. Tensong expressed satisfaction with the progress, citing approval from the Ministry of Road Transport for the compensation of funds which are expected to be disbursed to Deputy Commissioners during this financial year. The initiative aims to mitigate traffic congestion in Shillong, as emphasized by the Leader of the Opposition, Ronnie Lingdo, during the session.
But then he is diplomatically, tactfully, he has settled the issue. So, sir, I'd like to thank because all those areas that have to use that road, we are facing huge problems, sir. Even now, when we came, some of the officers are still stuck on the road because of the heavy traffic congestion there. Sir, I just have few supplementaries regarding Western Bypass. Yeah, I know from the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, sir, where will the Western Bypass start and where will it end? And he has stated, so 2 years. So when is likely the work orders to be issued and when will the land acquisition be completed, sir?
Sir, the starting point of the western bypass for 2-lane will
Minimize.
oh,
You can continue.
yes, sir. The starting point is near Lat South, sir, and disposed to NH 106, old NH 44E, and the total length is 38.256 kilometers, sir. And as far as the completion of this project, I have already replied, sir. I said the project is targeted for 2 years of completion from the date of declaration or appointed date.
Sir, the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister has stated the starting point. May I know where will the road end?
Sir, from this road from Shillong Nongstoin to Ra, it's somewhere near this Lat Maureng site, sir. That is the ending point, and it will take to somewhere near Lat Umsa.
Thank you, sir. May I request the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister if we can expedite land acquisition and the starting of the work that will ease the problem that is being faced by all the areas that are using that road, sir. Right now also, work in this 4-laning is going on in full swing, sir. I would like to express my gratitude to the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister for taking the initiative. I'd request him to take further initiative regarding the Western Bypass so that we can ease the people traveling using that road, sir. Thank you.
Yes, sir. In fact, I am following up very closely to this particular project, which is very important for the state. And I am so happy to also inform the honorable members of this August House that the Ministry of Road Transport has already even sanctioned a total amount of 681.63 crores as land compensation. And we are waiting the fund to be placed in the respective deputy commissioners, which I am very sure will be able to get this fund within this current financial year.